What's up, everybody? For today's video, we're gonna make my mom's homemade sangria.
What's that?
It's basically Kool-Aid for adults, which means you can only help with so much.
Because there's alcohol involved.
Cue the intro.
So seeing how this is a family recipe, we're gonna say what's in it, just not how much. You're gonna start with a burgundy wine. We're gonna add cherry brandy, peach brandy, blackberry brandy, some triple sec. We're gonna add some sugar.
And some fresh squeezed juice from oranges, limes, and lemons.
And orange juice from concentrate.
So before we get started, she has a tradition that we toast to her mom from last year's batch.
In her decanter that we fill first.
So, cheers.
Cheers, Grandma Barbara.
So Aiden's job is gonna be juicing a lot of fruit. So he's gonna start with some oranges, then move on to some limes and some lemons. We're gonna start by adding our burgundy wine. Now you're gonna use at least a gallon. We're gonna do more. Next, some cherry brandy, peach brandy, and lastly, some blackberry brandy. Next, some triple sec, and some orange juice from concentrate. Now some sugar. Aiden's gonna pour some fresh squeezed orange juice, some fresh squeezed lime juice, and fresh squeezed lemon juice. Now you gotta keep stirring this a lot because of the sugar on the bottom. We need this to dissolve. Like I said, keep stirring, make sure that sugar's dissolved. Now it's time to fill this up into whatever your favorite bottle is. We're gonna start by putting 2 cinnamon sticks. Now just scoop and pour. So this is what we ended up with. Plenty to store and share.
See you next time.